In this video, I will help you find the best bud headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Sony WF-1000XM5 Truly Wireless, best for noise isolation. When it comes to blocking out external noise, the Sony WF-1000XM5 Truly Wireless earbuds are top-notch. I have to say, these earbuds really excel in creating a quiet bubble for your music or podcasts. The active noise cancellation is impressive, making it perfect for drowning out chatter on your daily commute or the hum of an airplane engine during travel. I've found that these earbuds aren't only great for keeping unwanted noise at bay, but also deliver a solid sound experience. The neutral sound profile ensures that you get a balanced audio output across different genres of music. Whether you're into pop, rock, or classical, the Sony WF-1000XM5 can handle it all. Moreover, the fit is comfortable, which is crucial for long listening sessions. You don't have to worry about them falling out during workouts or runs. Overall, if you're looking for earbuds that can help you escape into your own world of sound, the Sony WF-1000XM5 is a fantastic choice. At number 4, we have Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Generation, Truly Wireless, best for customization. Customization enthusiasts rejoice. The Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Generation, Truly Wireless offers a plethora of personalized features to elevate your listening experience. With these AirPods, you can tailor your audio settings through the built-in equalizer, allowing you to adjust the sound to suit your preferences perfectly. The customizable touch controls enable you to manage music playback, calls, and even activate Siri with a simple tap or press. Additionally, the adaptive EQ technology automatically tunes the music to the shape of your ear for an immersive listening experience. Furthermore, the active noise cancellation and transparency mode can be adjusted to your liking, whether you want to block out the world or stay aware of your surroundings. The spatial audio feature provides a cinematic experience by delivering sound that seems to come from all around you. At number 3, we have Google Pixel Buds Pro Truly Wireless, best for multi-device pairing. Moving on from the Apple AirPods Pro's customization features, the Google Pixel Buds Pro Truly Wireless shines as the ideal choice for seamless multi-device pairing. With these buds, I love how easy it's to switch between my phone, laptop, and tablet without any hassle. The Pixel Buds Pro's Bluetooth 5.2 technology ensures a stable connection across all my devices, making it a breeze to enjoy my favorite tunes or take calls no matter what I'm using. Moreover, the automatic device switching feature is a game-changer for me. When I'm listening on my laptop and a call comes in on my phone, the buds seamlessly switch to the phone without missing a beat. It's such a convenient feature that has saved me from fumbling around with settings or disconnecting and reconnecting constantly. In my experience, the Google Pixel Buds Pro Truly Wireless truly excel in providing a hassle-free, multi-device pairing experience, making them a top choice for anyone who values convenience and efficiency in their daily tech setup. At number 2, we have Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless, best for affordable option. Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless earbuds offer an unbeatable blend of affordability and quality sound performance. These earbuds provide a budget-friendly option without compromising on audio quality. I was pleasantly surprised by the impressive sound reproduction and clarity these earbuds deliver, making them a solid choice for everyday use. The design is sleek and comfortable, fitting securely in my ears without any irritation even after extended wear. The lightweight construction adds to the overall comfort, perfect for on-the-go use or long listening sessions. The battery life is also commendable, providing hours of playback time on a single charge. Additionally, the Anker Soundcore Space A40 earbuds come with convenient features like touch controls for easy operation and a reliable wireless connection. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home, these earbuds offer a reliable and enjoyable listening experience at an affordable price point. At number 1, we have Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3, best for bass-heavy genres. After exploring the affordable and quality sound performance of the Anker Soundcore Space A40 Truly Wireless earbuds, let's now shift our focus to the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. Known for its exceptional prowess in handling bass-heavy genres. When it comes to bass-heavy music genres like hip-hop, EDM, or even rock, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds truly shine. The deep, powerful bass these earbuds deliver adds a new dimension to your listening experience, making every beat feel incredibly immersive. Whether you're a bass head or simply enjoy genres that rely on impactful low-end frequencies, these earbuds won't disappoint. Not only do the Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds excel in bass reproduction, but they also maintain the signature sound quality that Sennheiser is renowned for. The overall audio balance remains impressive, ensuring that while the bass takes center stage, the mids and highs aren't overshadowed. This harmonious blend of audio elements creates a rich and dynamic listening experience perfect for bass lovers.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.